Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today our topic is a decimal expansion about terminating decimal, non-terminating decimal and repeating and non-repeating. What are those things? How we can find out? This is very important for next exercise problems. Okay, if you like my videos and please share and give comments and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Understand? So let's start our class today. So decimal expansion. We have two types, that is terminating decimal and non-terminating decimal. Everyone know what is a decimal. You know what is a decimal? Actually this is a number, right? If you put a point, some values like 1, 2, 3 and so on. So this number is a decimal formation. You can know, right? And what is a terminating decimal here? What is a terminating decimal? See guys, take any fraction. For example, 3 by 4. 3 by 4. If you do division like this, we have to keep 0. We get 30.4 sevens are 28. Remainder is 2. And next 0. 4 5s are 20. See guys, I am saying here 3 by 4 is terminating decimal. Why? Because we get a remainder is 0. Then I say that 3 by 4 is terminating decimal. कभी भी आपको रिमाइंडर 0 आता तो ये नंबर क्या होगा? टर्मिनेटिंग डेसिमल होगा. समझ गए आप? क्लियर गाइस? You can check any number. Understand? And what is a non-terminating? Without remainder as a 0 नहीं आएगा ना, तो वो नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग होगा. इसी में भी टू टाइप्स है कि रिपीटिंग एंड नॉन रिपीटिंग. व्हाट इज अबाउट दिस? हाउ वी कैन फाइंड आउट? आर वी गेटिंग? सो हियर लेट्स चेक. टेक एनी फ्रैक्शन like 4 by 3. Let's take an example. 4 by 3. If you do division like this, 3 4, 3 ones are 3, remainder is 1. We keep point and keep 0 here. 3 3s are 9. Again remainder is 1. Again we have to keep 0. Again 3. Again 9. Here the process is continuing. And here also the process is continuing. And what we get here? 1.33333 and so on. Infinite numbers will come here. 333. So simply we can write 1.3 bar. What is this bar? Bar means repeating values. The same number of repeating values. Are you getting, ma? So what I told? Here 3 is repeating here. So simply I can keep 3 bar. That means the number 3 is repeating infinite times. Simple, you can write this 1.3 bar. Understand? If you get like this, that is infinite quotient and infinite remainder. That means the remainder 0, it doesn't come here. So like this decimal, we can say this is a non-terminating decimal. Are you getting? Because here remainder is 0, it is not there. So this 4 by 3 is a non-terminating decimal. Understand? And also this is repeating here. And also this is repeating here. Are you getting my words, ma? So we can call 4 by 3 is non-terminating, and what is this? Repeating. And 4 by 3 is non-terminating, repeating decimal. Are you getting? Why I am saying this? Non-terminating, repeating, because if we do division, the number 3 is continuing. Understand? This is repeating. The number 3 is repeating. So that I am saying this is non-terminating decimal. Why we call this non-terminating? Because the remainder is not 0 here. Understand? The remainder is not 0. So that this is non-terminating. And why we can call this repeating means the number 3 is repeating infinite times. So 4 by 3 is non-terminating, repeating. You can check any fraction. You can easily solve what is the terminating, what is non-terminating. Understand? Now coming to non-terminating, non-repeating. Just we complete here. Non-terminating, repeating is completed. Now non-terminating, Non-terminating, non-repeating. Coming to here, what does this mean? Let's see about non-terminating, non-repeating. Non-terminating, non-repeating. So, non-terminating, non-repeating. How you can prove this? If you take any fraction like 22 by 7. Do you know what is the 22 by 7? This is the value of pi. Value of pi. If you do division, 7, 22. 7 3s are 21. What we get remainder? Remainder is 1. If we keep point, we get 0. 7 1s are 7. We get remainder is 3. We get again 0. 7 4s are 28. Remainder is 2. Again we get 0. Next 7 2s are 14. 14. Remainder is 6. Again we get 0. And next what we have to do? 7 9s are 63. 7 8s are 56. 7 8s are 56. And we get remainder as 4. Right? Again 40. See here, there is no ending and no repeating. Here the value is how is the value here? And next step, like this and so on here. Actually there is no repeating here. And here no ending. We are not getting remainder is 0 and there is no repeating. This is endless. This is endless. See 1, 4, 2, 8 and next values are 5, 7, 1, 4, 2, 8, 6 and so on. There is no repeating here. So before see here 1.333. This is repeating. So we can call this as non-terminating repeating. And this is 22 by 7. This is also non-terminating. But this is non-repeating. Why here non-terminating? Because the remainder is not 0. But why here not non-repeating? Let's check some examples. Whether it is a terminating or non-terminating. Okay. So 8 0, we have to keep 0 because of the number is 3. We get 0 30 it will become and point. 8 3s are 24. Remainder is 6. Again we keep 0. And 8 7s are 56. Remainder is 4. Again we can keep 0 here. And next in 40 where it will come 8 5s are 40. See here remainder is 0. Then of course absolutely we can say this 3 by 8 is terminating decimal. Just keep T. Understand? See here the remainder is 0. If the remainder is 0, then we can say to be that fraction is a terminating decimal. Understand? Let's check. So next question 4 1 by 5. See this is in the form of mixed fraction. How we can do 4 5s are 20. 4 5s are 20 plus 1 divided by 5. What we get here? 21 by 5. 21 by 5. This is in the form of mixed fraction. You have to know the basics. Okay, what about the fractions or 3 types? Know about that thing, right? So if you know, there is no problem. So we get a fraction that is 21 by 5. 5, 21. We have to do division. Why? Because we have to choose whether it is a terminating or non-terminating. 5 4s are 20 and remainder is 1. Point. You keep 0. 5 2s are 10. See. Again there is a remainder is 0. Then 21 by 5 is terminating decimal. Terminating decimal. Okay. Let's check about 2 by 11. 2 by 11. See, we have to keep 0. 11 point. 11 ones are 11. Remainder is 9. Again keep 0. 11 8s are 88. Remainder is 2. Again 0. Again 11 ones are 11. See. Again the 11 is repeating here. Understand? What is again here? 9. We get again 90 is repeating here. What we have to get? 8. 88. What we get here? Again same process. 90 minus 88 is 22. And 0 as it is. See again 2 is repeating here. See here repeating. The values are repeating. And what we say 0.18181818 and so on. Everything is repeating here. The quotient is repeating. And finally how we can write 18 is repeating. Which values are repeating here? 18 is repeating. So 18 bar. If you keep 18 bar, easily we can say 18181818 and so on. Understand? So 2 by 11, which decimal it is? Of course, we can say this is a non-terminating decimal. This decimal, non-terminating decimal. You can write here, this is a non-terminating. Yes, of course, this is a non-terminating. But is this repeating or non-repeating? See here, 18, 18, 18 are repeating. So you can write this is a non-terminating repeating. Understand? You can check this all. Do homework. Just 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 5 by 2, 3 by 2. Like this. Okay? Do homework. Okay. Can you guess which decimal this is? See here. Is this a repeating decimal? Of course, we know here and so on is there. That means here something we have infinite values are there. So absolutely we can say this is a non-terminating decimal. In that non-terminating decimal, is this a repeating or non-repeating? How you can justify this? See here. Easily we can justify this. 1, 2, 0. Again 1, 2, 0. Here if in the case there is a 1, this is a terminating. This is a repeating decimal. But what is here? 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 00. Next 1, 2, 000, 1, 2, 40. See here, there is no repeating here. There is no repeating. If you get like this 1, 2, 0, 1, 1, 2, 0, 1, 1, 2, 0, 1, 1, 2, 0, 1, like this is a repeating decimal. You can easily say this is non-terminating repeating. But this is non-terminating, non-repeating. Non-terminating, non-repeating. I hope you understand, guys. And next we can discuss the short forms. See here, before going to discuss the short forms, we can say terminating decimals. For example, 3 by 4 and what we done here 3 by 8 and next 21 by 5. These are all terminating decimals, right? So which are the terminating decimals? Those are, we can call it as rational numbers. If you get a non-terminating decimals, those are all what? Irrational numbers. Rational numbers. Here see here. कोई भी टर्मिनेटिंग डेसिमल में आते हैं ना, तो उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? रेशनल नंबर्स कहते हैं. अंडरस्टैंड? ये पूरा इरेशनल नंबर हो जाए. नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग डेसिमल को हम इरेशनल नंबर्स बोलते हैं, चाहे रिपीटिंग हो नॉन रिपीटिंग हो. समझ में आया? चलिए नेक्स्ट हम डिस्कस करेंगे. So before going to discuss this short tree, first of all you have to write the note 3. Please note down. Okay. In the denominator, if we have 2 or 5 or both 2 and 5, then we can call as terminating decimal. What is this? See here, if you take any number like 5 by 2, we have a 2. If you have a denominator as 2 or 5, then we can call it as terminating decimal. Absolutely 5 by 2 is a terminating decimal. See here 17 by 2. This is also terminating decimal. How you can say? Because of in the denominator we have a value that is 2. If you have a 17 by 5 and this is also we get a terminating decimal itself. Why? Because in here already I told you in the note 3, that is in the denominator if we have a 2 or 5 or both 2 and 5, then we can call it as terminating decimal. Other than 2 or 5, that is what? Non-terminating decimal. Other than 2 or 5, we can call it as non-terminating decimal. And remind that, see here, 5 by 2, we have a denominator as 2. If we have a denominator as 2, what we call it as? It is a terminating decimal. So 5 by 2, if you do, this is a terminating decimal, just think here. If you do division like this, 2 2s are 4, point, sorry, here point, I'm getting confusion, here 0, 2 5s are 10. See, this is a remainder 0. If you have a remainder 0, this 5 by 2 is a terminating decimal. And what is the short trick here? If you have a denominator as 2 or 5, we can call it as terminating decimal. Let's check here. Coming to this 17 by 2. Already I told you the denominator is 2. We can call it as terminating decimal. You can do division. We get 3.4. You can do. The remainder must be 0 here. See here, coming to this 8 by 15. See, the denominator is 15. In this 15, we can convert as 5 into 3. 5 into 3. See here, 5 is present, but we need 2. See, we need both 2 and 5, right? We need both 2 and 5. So, here we have 5 and 3, but 5 and 3, but 2 is not present here. So, absolutely we can say this as non-terminating repeating. Non-terminating repeating. See here, 9 by 20. 20 we can write it as 4 into 5. 4 5s are 20. What we need? 2 and 5 we need. See here, 4 we can write it as 2 square. 2 square as 4 into 5. See here, this is present. 2 and 5 are present. 2 and 5 are both are present. Then we can call it as terminating decimal. You can check 9 by 20. If you do division 9 as 9 by 20, we get 0.45. And absolutely the remainder must be 0. Absolutely remainder must be 0. So this is a terminating decimal. You can check either. Understand? See here, if you take any number as 11 by 27, 21, just take 11 by 21. Which type of decimal this is? What is the denominator here? Denominator is 21. How we can write this? 3 sevens are 21. See here, there is no present, that is 2 and 5. Is it right? What we have to need? We have to need 2 and 5 or 2 or 5 value. But here 3 and 7 are present. Understand? 2 and 5 are absent here. So we can say this is non-terminating repeating. Non-terminating repeating. Which the fraction is non-terminating repeating? That is a irrational number. That is a irrational number. Which are the values are terminating decimal? Then that is a what? Rational number. This is also terminating decimal. So this is rational number. So 8 by 15, it is non-terminating repeating. So this is a irrational number. 9 by 20. See, this is a terminating. So we can call this as rational number. Which are the terminating decimals? Those are all rational numbers. Which are non-terminating decimals? Those are all irrational numbers. Again, I am saying you, which are the terminating decimals? That decimal is a rational number, or that fraction is a rational number. Which are not, which are not terminating decimals, like non-terminating decimals. Non-terminating decimals. Those are all irrational numbers. Understand? And thanks for watching up to now. And don't forget to do your homework. So this, which are the terminating, which are the non-terminating, and also you can indicate which are rational numbers, which are not rational numbers. Understand? And thank you, and don't forget to subscribe and like, and you can share my videos to your friends. Thank you very much.